and good evening from a very rainy London. Tonight we're off to the Marie Curie Foundation to attend a fundraiser. Hoping to catch up with some of my other Instagram friends and raise awareness for this really great cause. The Marie Curie Foundation aims to provide nursing services for people with terminal illnesses. So I think this is a really good cause to get involved with, and happy to help out and raise awareness for the cause. Just over there, it's Paternoster Square in front of St. Paul's Cathedral, and they've installed an artwork made of light. So hoping to get a good photo of there as well, and yeah, just generally catch up with some friends and maybe meet some new people. Let's see what it's all about. Joined here by Efe. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello guys, it's Just Efe here. You may know me from my Just Efe page. Now, I'm just about to take...
Never shy on the shoutouts?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Go for it. Tell us what you're about to do.
I was just about to take a low-angle shot of the Daffodils with St. Paul's, or the Dome of St. Paul's in the background. So I literally turn my camera that way, so the lens is literally the closest to the base, and tilt that till I get the dome somewhere in shot there, and some daffodils, and click the button, and voila, I got my shot.
Great.
So simple.
And and do you like shooting on iPhone, or what's your general camera of choice?
Anything that's convenient. At the moment, the iPhone's actually more convenient. It's easy for the shot, and if I had my tripod on me right now, I'd actually be hooking that up and taking a better shot. And Bob's your uncle.
Great,
and this is my shot.
Joined here by Jen, who works together with Marie Curie Foundation. Do you want to tell us a bit about Marie Curie Foundation in general and what this event's all about?
Yeah, so I work with Marie Curie. They're a terminal illness charity, and we have created this Garden of Light, which features 4,000 daffodils, and that number is symbolic. It represents the number of people that Marie Curie will care for throughout the month of March.
And I noticed you're wearing one of those 4,000 on your lapel.
I am indeed.
Tell us a bit about that.
Yes, so we are encouraging people to donate to support the work that Marie Curie does. So you can donate, grab a daffodil and wear it with pride throughout the month of March.
Where can people find these daffodils?
You can find them from various different shops, Superdrug, Wyvale garden centres, and you can also donate online at www.mariecurie.org.uk/daffodil.
Cool, thanks a lot for the info.
Okay, thanks.
Joined here by Eva, who's of course dressed for the occasion.
It just happened. I don't know how it happened. It was just...
Pure coincidence, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Tell us what you think of the garden.
It's not something just beautiful. It's something very, very inspiring, because what they are doing is very, very important. And just coming in the middle of the city and finding this one just gives you hope and faith, and it's very light and bright. So I love it.
Cool. And you're also a big blogger, so tell us a little bit about your style.
Again, it's about just expressing what you're feeling, because there must be even someone out there reading what you're saying and feeling you, and it's just very nice sharing your feelings and your thoughts and your opinion with other people, and just get to know them even better. And just about inspiring other people, getting inspired from them, just being you.
And where can people find your blogs?
They can find me at evasilan.com or on my Instagram, eva_c_.
Cool, thanks for the info.
Thank you, bye!
Something a little bit different from me in this vlog. Not so much photography related, but I thought I'd share the evening with you anyway. And you got to meet some other Instagrammers that are big in the scene in London, and hope you got to see a bit of insight behind them. And of course, let's not forget the Marie Curie Foundation, and hope you got a bit of insight on that as well. As always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, be sure to like and comment, and if you aren't already, please subscribe. See you in the next one.